I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily humanize your AI generated content. So we're using Toolicly and we're going to log in to our free account, type in human eyes, and then we're going to select the tool, humanize content. So what you do is you paste in your AI generated content. Um, and then once you have that in there, you're going to select humanize content and it's going to change the AI generated content into a more human um, human friendly content. So there's various ways and strategies to humanize your content. Usually it involves adding a little bit more emotion to the content, changing up the content, the sentence structure, the um, basically making the content less formulaic, if you would say, and less of the common AI used words. Although as AI is getting better, it's not overly using the same words over and over, but that still is an issue. And if someone sees your content and realize it's all AI generated content, it seems obvious to them. They don't um, necessarily trust you as much. So that's a big factor because trust is very important online, especially when you're trying to build credibility in your personal brand. But there's a lot of advantages to using AI content. The main one being that it is a way to quickly create content. So I ran this through. Here is the output. Um, Basically, it rewrote my content or changed it up a little bit in order to make it seem more humanized. So one important thing here is the output gives you the word count and the reading level. We like to, in humanizing content, we also like it to be very easy to read. We don't want our readers to think hard when they're reading our content or see a word that they don't really fully understand or maybe need some time to understand because that requires them to put in more effort to understand our actual content. So reading level is also important in humanizing content and it actually just makes it easier overall. So you could do this for various pieces of content. You just paste in the content, click the button, wait a few minutes or less than that, and then take the output content, copy it, and um, paste it into wherever you need to go, or even make some further changes. So humanizing content is very powerful. There's multiple ways to do it, but this is the fastest and easiest approach. So I will catch you in the next one. Thank you.